Okay, Mbagathi Hospital sits in a very large area, and we cover one of the biggest informal settlements like Kibera, right next to us. And we also have Kawangware, which is not very far from us. So we serve a very big population in Mbagathi Hospital. This was purely an infectious disease hospital. It used to be called IDH, Infectious Disease Hospital, but currently it's a county referral hospital. We didn't have this liquid oxygen and we never imagined to be there.
My name is Lydia Mukami. I am a Kenya registered community health nurse midwife. Before we had the piped oxygen, it used to be a little difficult for us working. During the old times, we used to come, you put on the oxygen, you find that there's no oxygen. And now you start panicking, calling for oxygen, and the baby's condition is getting worse.
This is Mbagathi NBU. Initially, we used to use the cylinders, and the risk that comes with the cylinder is so high because they are heavy, and the chances of them falling off is also very high. And the space they are occupying is also huge, and so it was limiting us in terms of the cot arrangement. So when they're taking place, then you cannot only have the enough cots that you need in the room.
Because now we needed to order the cylinders and transportation also of the cylinders, but with the piped oxygen, and it's just on the wall next to the patient's bed, care has become more efficient.
Now we have departments like our casualty benefiting from it. We have our NICU, we have the wards, general wards using it. We have our maternity wing benefiting from it. So it's such a milestone as compared to when I first came to Mbagathi.
So as we said earlier, that most of what we use in Mbagathi Hospital is liquid oxygen, and we talked about a liquid tank, whereby it is this one, or cryogenic tank. In Mbagathi we don't have a PSA system. We usually have this liquid tank whereby liquid oxygen is filled from a tank. Especially we order from BOC or other feeders. They feed the liquid oxygen from this point. Then we have these valves where we open during revealing. Then we have a gauge which is very important, whereby we monitor the usage of oxygen. It usually goes 0 to 100. For example, now it is between 40 and 60. So when it goes below, we are able to request the other one. Then we have vaporizers on the other side. They manage to vaporize to change the liquid oxygen to gaseous form, whereby we see that there are some formation of ice is because there is that transformation. Apart from that, this liquid has a capacity of 21,769 liters. It's a big capacitor, and we thank for that. It is a one of the large tanks within our area and our locality. So it is able to store a lot of liquid oxygen.
We have piped oxygen, which is ready to use anytime, as you can see. So you don't have to worry, where am I going to get oxygen? Is there oxygen? So the oxygen is readily available. Again, in our delivery room, the oxygen has really helped us because our mothers sometimes, being a referral facility, our babies maybe they have come, they're in distress, they have meconium grade 3. Sometimes the babies do not score well, the APGAR score, but the oxygen is readily available and the outcomes have become very favorable.
The much difference that we've actually experienced is the fact that when the oxygen is about to run out, we have a system put in place there that detects when the oxygen levels are low. So it is easier for us to call for oxygen supply more. Unlike when you're using the cylinders, whenever it's about to finish, you can't even realize. The next thing you will realize is the baby that has shut down there.
Our role as medical engineers, we ensure that we monitor the gauge of the liquid tank. We ensure the percentage is at the level which the alarms at the points of use will not be alarming. We have 4 alarms, one at postnatal, one at the NICU, one at the theatre, and another one at the casualty, which help us in ensuring that the supply is adequate. We have several outlets in the whole hospital, which are totaling to around 180. We ensure, as biomeds, we ensure that they are working. We also ensure that the cylinders are refilled at the right time. We make sure that the manifold is working and the supply is adequately there at any given time.